How to be confident, unleashing your inner confidence. Do you often find yourself longing for that unshakable confidence? The kind that makes you feel like you can conquer the world? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore practical steps to unlock your inner confidence and become the best version of yourself. Step 1. Embrace your uniqueness. Confidence starts with recognizing your individuality. Embrace your strengths, quirks, and passions. Remember, there's only one you in this world, and that's your superpower. Step 2. Practice positive self-talk. Your thoughts shape your reality. Replace self-doubt with empowering self-talk. Remind yourself of your abilities and accomplishments. With every positive affirmation, you'll strengthen your confidence muscles. Step 3. Embrace challenge. True growth lies outside your comfort zone. Embrace challenges as opportunities for personal development. Remember, every obstacle you overcome is a testament to your strength and resilience. Step 4. Prioritize self-care. Self-care is essential for building confidence. Make time for activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. When you prioritize your well-being, you'll radiate confidence from within. Step 5. Lift others up. Confidence grows when we lift others up. Celebrate the achievements of those around you and offer support when needed. By spreading positivity, you create an environment where confidence flourishes. Remember, confidence is not about being flawless. It's about embracing your imperfections and believing in your potential. Embrace your uniqueness, practice positive self-talk, embrace challenges, prioritize self-care, and lift others up. With these steps, you unlock the confidence within you. Thank you for watching How to Be Confident, Unleashing Your Inner Confidence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Stay confident and keep shining.